Okay, so here you again. This is day two of system design, high level design. Uh, if you are a small disclaimer, like if you are new to someone or you want to learn from the master level or something like preparing for interview, this video is might not be helpful to you. You can watch some other tutorials where this is just a kind of explaining. If you are just casually looking around, then this video will be great. Okay, so now let's start it with this. So this is the day two where we'll in the previous day we just migrate the like we increase the services, backend services to handle the availability and as well the redundancy. But what about the database? That time the in previous videos, if you look at the database is single, okay. What if the database gonna like affect some like shut down or something like then no user creation will be happening, no database read or something that user want from the database that will gonna not happening, right? So this is where today video we'll just learn about how database sharding and data replication is there. Okay, we'll focus on the data tier. So we heard about the concept master slave here. Okay, so sharding is basically nothing, just if I search for the sharding, it's just like dividing multiple okay, just adding multiple large database to a multiple small size independent pieces. Okay, so this is called sharding. So this not okay. So these are the sharded database. These have the one main DB. Okay, this is called the master DB, and the remaining are the slave. Okay, so you can think like whatever the write operation is there, whether it's write operation, delete, or update operation, all of the requests are transmitted to the master database. Okay, and master database will ensure that after writing or deleting or updating whatever happening to this records within this database, it just replicate all of those or the transfer all of those updates to the slaves. Okay, so these slaves databases are as well updated. Okay, so in a in a particular application, if you look at the reading is more as compared to writing. Okay, like if you look at chat gpt or something like instagram or something, users are uploading but they are consuming more. That means they are reading the information more as compared to uploading. Okay, they are uploading but writing updating, but they are watching, millions of users are watching lot. So this is where when it's come to the reading, something like retrieving information or like just reading, then the requester goes into the slave databases. so if one database gonna down, that means remaining are there. So the traffic will be that reading traffic will be goes multiple direction. Okay, so this is this helps to like this increase the availability of the database, and then performance also, performance is increased. Then reliability. Okay, so reliability is nothing like how do I explain? So just like whenever you data, you want some data. Okay, that time you get those data correctly. So this is all the reliability. Okay, so you can think the data performance integration. Okay, let me just design. Yeah, this is system performance correct expected function over the time, even when the fault and unexpected stress happening. Okay, so this is reliable. The function, the database is this system should be reliable to handle traffic or any kind of disasters. Okay, so this is where database replication. So we are just making a single monolithic database with the multiple replicas. Yeah, this video is all about this. Okay, so next we'll learn about like how do you increase the load and response time by adding caches and CDNs to our architecture. Yeah, thank you.